What's going on, Wicked Legion? It's your boy Hamza Zero here. Yo, I can't even go to sleep right now. My wife is snoring up a storm. Yo, listen to this shit. Watch this, watch this. Come on, man. Honestly, could you go to sleep with that shit in your ear for a whole fucking 5, 6 hours? Nah, man, I'm going to sleep in the other room, man. Fuck this. Yo, do you have anybody in your family that snores this loud? This constant? Yo, leave your comments in the section below. Holla at your boy, man. I'll do zero signing off. Deuce.